Hey everybody, it's TJ, and welcome to part 2 of the rubber band gun that I was recently making. So, here are the pieces you'll need. I'll just do a quick slow, like that. You like zoom in on this. And then you can pause the video whenever you'd like to get these pieces. And notify this piece has like one 1x2 plate on top. This is like 3 feet high, 3 plate high, with another plate on top. And then that's the pieces you'll need. Pause the video now if you want to get these pieces. And I'll do a zoom up on these 3. Like that. Alright, hopefully now you've gotten these pieces. Now it's time to start building. First, to make the barrel, you need this. Then take this piece, just put it like that. Put that to the side. Now it's time to make the other one. Alright, so take this piece. Doesn't really matter which one it is. It's like that. Right, and just take that, put this on top, then put this on top as well. So like that. Then put another one of these like that. And then take this, put it on like that, and then take this piece like that and turn this around and put this on the end like that. I'm rushing through this because I think I might forget, and I didn't have another 2x4 piece, so I just put a 2x3 piece here and another and a 1x2 piece there. You could decorate this part as much as you like. These are the pieces that I wanted to use. Like put that, then just put that on like that. Then take this piece, put it on like that. Hands are getting sweaty. Then you need to take the piece that I made from the last episode. Go and watch that before you watch this. And yeah, that piece, you'll need to put that at the front, like that. Pieces are falling off. Okay, so put it on like that, and then take this piece, put it on the end like that, and then put this piece on like this. Then like put these pieces together. You know what I mean. Just put it on. So it's going to be like that. Like that. And then just add that part. The decorated part that you decorated by yourself. If you wanted to, or just copied my idea. Not saying that you copied, but just want to follow. So, then take the barrel piece. Put this at the end. And there you have your little gun. So you have to load it and then buy it. You take the rubber band, like that, put it on like that on the gear, place your thumb down, please don't hold on yourself. This is taking a long time. that. This sometimes might break well, and that's how you load it. You just put it at the end, then hold it down with your thumb. Put your finger like that, and then fire. The rubber band did go to the door and then like that. So, remember guys to like, comment and subscribe. Remember, this is something new. First person to comment gets a shout out. So just whoever comments first gets a shout out. And that will be it. See ya.